Hey, want to remove those awkward silences from your audio? It's super easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open your browser and search for Audacity. Click on the download button, and it will install the Muse Hub software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open Muse Hub and download Audacity from there. After that, launch Audacity and import your audio file. Now tap on your track and press Ctrl+A to select the entire audio. Next, go to the Effect menu, select Special, and then click on Truncate Silence. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can enter how much you want to shorten the silences. You can adjust this manually or leave it as default. Once you're ready, hit Apply. Now, it's time to export your clean audio. Click on File, then Export, and select Export as MP3. Choose a location, hit Save, and you're done. And that's it. Your audio is now free from long pauses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.